So after you cook down the ripe tomatoes and this is the final product, guys. Extremely vegan, simple, and you just roll it like a taco, just like so. Assalamu alaikum, guys, welcome back to the channel. And today she's doing making a vegetarian vegan dish, eggplant aubergine based vegan dish. Super delicious, absolutely packed full of flavor dish. They call it Batinjan Harra in Arabic, Batinjan Harra, which translates to chili eggplant. Literally translates to chili eggplant or hot eggplant or aubergine. Okay, so first of all, she starts off by sauteing. Actually, she smashed first using the mortar and pestle some garlic, a couple of cloves of garlic, a small bunch of fresh coriander, and hot chili, hot peppers to taste. Depends how much your tolerance is. So we'll put a couple of chilies in there to give it a good kick. So after you sweat them for a little bit and the aromatics come out of it, it becomes aromatic, then you drop two ripe tomatoes, peeled and chopped ripe tomatoes. You drop them in there shortly after, and you cook them down for a little while. If you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the recipe. So after you cook down the ripe tomatoes and the previous mixture together, only for a couple of minutes, not long at all, you drop the pre-fried eggplants or aubergine. They've only been fried halfway, so you literally shallow fry them halfway, and you drop them in there. Okay, yeah, so she's telling that you fry it, you fully fry it all the way. So you cook down the eggplants. So the eggplants have been previously fried before they were dropped in the in this pan. So you pre-cook them, pre-fry them, and you drop them in. And what you do is you just spread them out in the pan and make sure every single one of them gets absorbed, gets sort of coated by the sauce, the mixture, to make sure, because eggplants are like sponges, they absorb all the flavors. So you just sink them in and make sure they absorb all the flavors. And literally you cook it for a few minutes, maybe 2-3 minutes, not long at all, just so basically to reheat the eggplants and to give it a bit of time to absorb all the flavors and marinate together and become one. And you take it off, and it's as simple as that. Absolutely packed full of flavor, absolutely delicious. I guarantee anyone, especially if you love eggplants, this is sure to be a winner with you and your family. It's absolutely delicious. So this is the final product, guys. Extremely simple, extremely delicious, extremely nutritious. Caters for everyone, vegans, vegetarians, and anywhere in between. It's absolutely a knockout of a dish. And you eat it with a simple garden salad, some pickles, in this case handmade pickles, and this is also another version. So she's made eggplant or aubergine 3 ways. This is another dish. It's a grilled version with a vinaigrette sauce, which we'll be releasing the recipe very soon. And also here just a basic fried eggplant with fried chilies on top. Absolutely delicious again. Maybe you eat it with some yogurt on the side, some garden salad. Very delicious, very simple. And I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you do like what you see, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on the next video, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. And this is how I like to eat it, guys. Just a piece of flatbread, any flatbread will do. You lay the aubergine dish on the bottom, or the eggplant dish on the bottom, a bit of onion, some veggies, some pickles, some any veggies of your choice, even some potatoes, hot chips. So the whole thing's still absolutely vegetarian, vegan, and you just roll it like a taco, just like so. Just like so. You can see it's absolutely packed full of flavor and color and just nutrition. It's awesome. Bismillah. Please try it. Do yourself a favor. Try this dish. You will not be disappointed. See you next time.